Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically in Windows 11. First method is, click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure, click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Second method is click Search icon, type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Model next. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.